Are you someone who wants to work as a healthcare assistant in the UK? Do you need guidance on the process? Healthcare assistants are still in high demand. Hello everyone, welcome to Care Pointers, and thank you for tuning in. I'm Nesdori, your virtual presenter. On this channel, we discuss everything related to nursing in the UK, including relocation, career success, and life as a nurse or healthcare assistant. So whether you are pursuing career growth or starting out as a healthcare assistant, we've got you covered. So if this is your first time tuning in, I would love you to join our community. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on our latest updates. In today's video, I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to relocate to the UK as a healthcare assistant. So whether you have already started out the process or abandoned the idea due to misinformation, this video will guide you. The UK government is still supporting the recruitment of healthcare assistants to work in hospitals, care homes, and community settings. Most of these facilities are actively recruiting overseas workers and offering certificate of sponsorship. So stay with me as I guide you step by step on how to work as a healthcare assistant in the UK. Step 1. Training. To work as a healthcare assistant, you need to obtain a care certificate, which consists of the 15 standards. You can do the training at any certified training institution, or you can do it as an online course. You also need some form of experience, which can be obtained in form of volunteering in a healthcare facility or home care related facility. Step 2. Have a well-written UK standard CV outlining your training, skills, and experience. Include at least 2 references. Ensure your referees are credible, and you need to inform them that they can be contacted at any time. Step 3. You also need to demonstrate proof of English language proficiency, which can be done by taking the IELTS exam. The overall score requirement for IELTS is 4.0. Step 4. Obtain a driving license. This is very important because if you come to work in domiciliary care, you'll be required to drive between different locations to provide home care. Step 5. Start applying for jobs. You can apply for jobs in the NHS hospitals, care homes, or domiciliary care. Then you go through the interview process, which is done via video link. This is called a virtual interview. Step 6. Get a job offer. At this stage, the employer will offer you a certificate of sponsorship, which will enable you to apply for a visa. Provide all relevant documents requested by the employer, for instance, vaccination records and proof of physical address. Step 7. Apply for a visa. Gather all your documents, and these include a valid passport. Ensure the names on all your documents match the ones on your passport. If they don't, you must provide supporting documents such as a marriage certificate to prove the name change. You also need to include a certificate of sponsorship, job offer letter, TB test document, police clearance, evidence of funds if your employer is not paying for your maintenance. You will need £1,270 in your account, unless your employer is covering your maintenance. Step 8. Book for flights and arrive in the UK. Welcome to the UK, and congratulations for the hard work. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for staying to the end. In my next video, we'll dive into some exciting job opportunities which you may want to explore. So please like, subscribe, and turn on notification icons so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Comment below, and if you have any questions, Nesdori is ready to help. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.